Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, we'll be talking about how you can modify your tagging settings on Facebook. Alright, many times your friends would have make messy posts and then tag you to it, and then before you know it, it is showing on your profile. Then it makes your profile messy. You feel like, why is this person tagging me with this, blah blah blah. Well, in this video we're going to be looking at how you can always review tags of your friends posts. When I say review, you would be able to check, okay, does this post align with what I want to see on my wall? And then you can always say, okay, yes. All right, so before wasting much of our time, let's get into the video. All right, you have to open your Facebook application. All right, once you've done this, there is a very small button at the right top here, this part I'm showing here. All right, click on it, click on settings and privacy, then you click on settings. All right, so you locate profile and tagging. All right, here is it, profile and tagging. Can you see this? All right, so you click on it. All right, so you scroll to the bottom. There is a part that says reviewing. This reviewing session is where you get work done. Right, we have two different options here. The first option talks about you reviewing tags of people who have tagged you to a post and they are not your friend on Facebook. That is the first part. While the second option is telling us you need to review tags of your friends on Facebook. Alright, so I would advise you toggle both on. You switch the buttons for the first and the second option, so that when someone who is not your friend tags you with a post, you can review it, and when someone who is your friend tags you to a post, you can also review it, to make sure your profile wall is not messy. Alright, I hope you find this video helpful. Don't forget to like, share, and don't also forget to subscribe. Alright, see you in the next video. Bye bye.